Hello, my name is Wendy Sabota. I'm with Prepaid Legal. I'm talking to you today because we have solutions for your business. This is for small business only, okay? To qualify as a small business, you have to have 99 or less employees. If you have more than that, but let's say you have 8 businesses in the state, and you have them under different tax ID numbers, and none of them go over 99 employees, you can set each individual one up with this plan. But again, under one tax ID number, you cannot have over 99 employees. Now, what I'm trying to let you know about is several things. First, you're probably thinking, well, who is this? Okay? I know that's be me. I'm like, who's this person? But anyway, my name is Wendy Sabota, and I worked for USA Today, and I worked there for 15 years. They downsized in their workforce, so I decided and volunteered to take an early out. I wanted to do something different. Some things had happened in my life, things had changed, and I really wanted to do something different. And I know if you're a small business owner, you can relate to that better than anybody. So I was just putzing around, checking out companies and so forth, and I came along to Prepaid Legal. Well, I got to researching it. I got into checking everything out I could about it, and I found they were extremely reputable. They've been in Forbes, they've been in Money Magazine. They were actually featured in USA Today. There was an article on them in our newspaper, USA Today. So you're talking about a company that's very well established. They're traded on the New York Stock Exchange. They've been in business for 35 years. I talked to people. Some people have heard of it. In fact, actually, I've run into more people that heard of it than I thought, because I had not heard of it. When I was in business, I had a small newspaper before I worked for USA Today. I had not heard of it. Again, had I heard of it, I would have definitely snatched it up. It offers everything. It offers everything a small business person could need. Now, to tell you something about who we are, well, first of all, we're here to help you free up your time and money, save you money, and allow you to do more of what you do best, okay? We do that by providing services and professional consultation that have formerly only been available and affordable to the largest of businesses. We will effectively provide you with your own legal department, tax department, accounting department, marketing department, human resources department, technology and internet. We do that by providing you with accessibility to the best businesses and legal consultants available for as little as $2.50 a day. Now, again, this is geared toward the small business owner. I explained that in the beginning. It's got to be 99 or less employees, and I think that would include actually the owner as well, or the owners as well. Who are we? We're Prepaid Legal. We also are teamed up with Go Small Biz, which was founded by Fran Tarkenton, the NFL Hall of Fame quarterback, and this was 11 years ago. He started that business. He's actually a very successful entrepreneur himself. And this is how he got into it, was because as a small business owner, you have a trillion questions about everything, between licensing, just everything you can think of. And like I know, that you spend so much time trying to find answers to your questions. Well, the GoSmallBiz.com side of this is there for that. You don't have to dig. You don't have to research like that. We will do it. We will provide this for you now. Now, that's in itself a different entity. You've got the legal side and you've got the Go Small Biz side, okay? Now, with Go Small Biz, we also provide you a web page, 4-page website. for your business. For $2.50 a day, okay? Like I say, when I had my business, no ifs, ands, or buts, I would have taken this out, okay? Again, Prepaid Legal's been in business 35 years and traded on the New York Stock Exchange, so you can look them up. They've been in Forbes, Fortune, Money Magazine, all of this, and again, USA Today newspaper. Now, what I would like to do, with your permission, is ask a few questions so I can show you something that is related to your situation and not someone else's, okay? You know, you've probably had questions about legal correspondence, consultation questions, internet questions, guidance questions, debt collection, tax information questions, trial defense, and all these. I mean, you know, there's so many things that could be geared just to you. I mean, you might have problems with collection. We do 10 letters every single month for you for your collection issues. And trust me, when someone gets a letter directly from your lawyer, this is done by your lawyer, the letter, they take you serious about that collection issue, okay? The legal consultation, this is kind of a listing, not an all-inclusive list, but just some of the example of things that you can call a lawyer for. Call the lawyer that is your lawyer, okay? You can call him for any time, such as for employee hiring, bankruptcy, joint ventures, things, anything to do with partnerships, incorporation, small claims things, bad check recovery issues, vendor problems. You now have a lawyer available for consultation anytime during business hours, okay? And they are not going to send you a bill. This is what we do. Anything that's over and beyond the realm of what we do, you can get service and coverage for all this stuff, any other things, but you get it at a 25% discount, okay? But there's so much we do under this that usually you're not needing the other, okay? For instance, you'll also have letters sent on your behalf. They'll send a separate letter for every separate subject matter at no additional charge, and we'll give you a hard copy for your file. Also, on the debt collection area, again, they will send, your attorney will do the letter now. They will send 10 initial debt collection letters for every single calendar month, okay? But by effectively putting us on your payroll for about $2.50 a day, you have unlimited consultation letters written on your behalf. We'll send 10 initial debt collection letters every month, up to 120 a year. If you didn't use this for anything but that, and you had 10 debt collection letters every month, that's an average of $7.50 a letter that a top law firm will send out for you. This goes out from a top law firm. And where are you going to get that for $7.50 a letter? You're just not. You know, we know that. You know that. Contract review, we're also going to review 3 contracts for you every single month, up to 15 pages each, okay? We, like regarding also executed contracts, ones that you've already done, you probably got a file drawer full of those kind of contracts, vendor contracts, employee contracts, whatever. Even though you sign these contracts without the benefit of a prepaid provider lawyer, you can forward them to your prepaid lawyer. You can have one reviewed every single month by our provider law firm as a part of your plan, which is nice because then if you might have something there that you better get corrected, that's not a bad idea, you know. If not, at least now you know you got a good contract. You know, you're not leaving yourself open to anything, okay?